Everyone is now conscious the world is facing a real energy challenge. Our energy transition has started with massive investments in renewable energy solutions like wind and solar. That's a great step towards a better future, but we need to make sure that our renewable solutions produce more energy than they require, and that energy is easily accessible to all, even in remote areas, as there's still around 1 billion people with no access to electricity in the world. We are VH93, and we have developed a hydropower solution that is resilient, responsible, and truly sustainable. Our conviction is that a real sustainable future is possible for all. And our goal is to produce an energy truly sustainable, make it easily accessible, and be part of a responsible energy transition for our future generations. Therefore, our solutions are made of a simple biosourced material locally produced. They are easy to install anywhere there's flowing water, and they are entirely recyclable into new machines once the end of their life cycle is reached. This eco-friendly low technology is based on our soft blade Savonus rotor.
Le principe de ce rotor, c'est sa dissymétrie. C'est-à-dire qu'il y a un côté ouvert au courant et l'autre qui est ici, qui tourne le dos au courant. Du coup, c'est le côté ouvert au courant qui va capter plus de quantité de mouvement et donc qui va faire tourner. Donc c'est le principe du rotor Savonus. Et l'idée de dire, il faudrait qu'il y ait un côté qui capte un peu plus et l'autre qui résiste un peu moins quand il remonte. D'où l'idée de mettre de la souplesse. Il y a une pale qui s'ouvre face au courant, qui capte le courant, et une autre pale qui, quand elle remonte le courant de l'autre côté, a tendance à fléchir. D'après les tensions qu'on mesure, l'adjonction de pale souple au rotor Savonus double son efficacité.
We have a prototype up and running. We now want to install a demonstrator in a channel able to provide energy for an equivalent of 10 households in isolated sites anywhere in the world. The data collected will allow us to quickly move to the production of a low-cost, resilient, reliable, and sustainable energy solution in the months to come. So, if like us you think a better future through energy is possible for all of us, please do join us in our journey.